Alrighty, guys, we are going to play noise. So definitely let me know how it shows up on stream.
Do you see that star?
Wait, which one? This one?
A little bit to the left. It's a little reddish.
Ah, yeah, I see.
I literally see no red
This
stars.
is Betelgeuse, a huge red giant, 1,000 times bigger in diameter than the sun.
From where we are, it seems just a small dot.
It is very far from us. The most interesting thing about it is that it is at the final stage of the star's life. Betelgeuse can explode today, or it could explode in 1,000 years' time.
Explode? Is it dangerous for us?
Most likely, no. It is too far from us. Do you know what strikes me most
This
of
is
all?
so pretty. Like,
Knowing
look at
that it might not exist, but we can still see it. We see it the way it looked many years ago.
Why so?
Don't you know? The speed of light is not so fast by space standards. It takes time till the light from the star reaches the Earth. So, looking at the starry sky, we actually see stars the way they were many years ago.
And if we look at the Earth? From where? With the help of a most powerful telescope?
Then we will see the past. Things that had earlier existed on Earth. We might even see the dinosaurs. I think it is the only way to look into the past.
that way it's a little bit easier to see the subtitles. Oh, yeah, I don't have any other overlays without the chat box thing, so the chat box thing's gonna kind of have to stick there, but I did move the sub goal down. That's what I was looking at, and then I paused so I could move my sub goal down. Chapter 1, gaps. Which I don't have. I do not have thigh gaps. I wish. No, I don't actually. I do not wish I had thigh gaps. That looks kind of weird on some people. 1988, the USSR.
I am an ordinary radio amateur. There are
Jumped so
thousands of us
high.
all over the country. Several months ago, I caught a strange signal with my receiver. It made incomprehensible sounds, and a couple of times I could hear something that sounded like human voices. The most interesting thing is that,
Oh, this is like
judging by the
Phasmo.
maps,
You don't
there is
actually
nothing in the
run,
place
you
the
just
signal
walk
could be coming from.
faster.
I decided to find out what caused these strange signals. I almost got to the place. Here is the road that leads to the side the signal is coming from. There is clearly something there.
Those trees look like they were just copy-pasted. Like, look at the... Like, you can line them up. Like, look at that. I have two trees lined up, like, right in front. Oh, I have, left... Oh god, that's, like, the slowest. Switch between lamp and radio. So, switch between the flashlight and the radio. What the fuck? I just did it! What do you mean? Oh, hey. Okay, I think that's where we're going. When you were... That's not running! That's just speed walking!
What the hell?
Okay. Oh. Don't pay attention to the local radio stations. Press E to interact.
Wait,
Oh my,
I've left all my things in
oh
your
my god, they got
apartment. All my
louder.
documents.
forget about that. Think of your life, faster.
Hey, can anyone hear me? Hi there. Is anybody here? Answer me. Hey!
Turn the radio off. Shut the fuck up. God, that's noisy. Why does it get so quiet? I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
I understand that you are making your calculations here, but why do you need such secrecy?
Darling, we've already spoken about that. I need it for my work. If we do everything right, I might get a bonus payment. You know how much we need the money right now.
Apart from your electronics, we store pickles and other things in our basement. Do I have to look for you every time I need to open the door?
Okay, I will make another key. I've already told you.
Meanwhile, leave it here.
Where? It's not safe. Anyone can get here and find my calculations.
Nobody cares about your calculations. Listen to me. From now on, you will leave the key on the windowsill with the flowers in our apartment. Do not carry it along. I understand that you are making your calculations here, but why do you need such secrecy?
Because he's
Darling,
Space
we've
Eater.
already spoken about that. I need it for my work. If we do everything right, I might get a bonus payment. You know how much we need the money right now.
Apart from your electronics, we store pickles and other things in our basement. Do I have to look for you every time I need to open the door?
Okay, I will make another key. I've already told you.
Alright.
Meanwhile, leave it here.
What do I... So there's a key... somewhere. Can I jump over this? Are you kidding me? With as high as I can jump, I can't jump over a small-ass fence. There's a fire. Can I get in here? Okay. It's a puppers! Look at the baby! Can I crouch? No? Okay.
Гимнастикой. Первое упражнение – ходьба на месте. Приготовьтесь, встаньте прямо,
It's a little...
вдохните шагом марш. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три, четыре. Движения руками делайте широкие, размашистые. Колени поднимайте повыше. Раз, два, три.
I think I have chocolate.
What? Why? Do you think it's that easy to get away from here?
Just see what's happening. They can't explain it. According to theoretical calculations, nothing like that should have happened at all.
What are you talking about?
Stop pretending. We could see something like a circle for a couple of seconds. And there were the same corridors as in our room, only the paint was different. And there was other furniture. How can you explain this?
It was just a vision. There's a concentration of large energy in this place. It can lead to any distortions in the physical spectrum.
Why aren't we allowed to participate in any important experiments? Another department, they have obvious lit scores. And the authorities are hiding
Captioning's
this
not,
from
like,
us. No,
syncing up.
and all this is very strange and dangerous.
What did you want to do?
I think I have chocolate.
What? Why? Do you think it's that
Okay.
easy to get away?
Oh, That's not creepy. Ew. Oh, God. That's fucking disgusting. I cannot. Ugh. Okay, let's go upstairs, I guess. Why is the fridge so fucking loud? Alright, can't go in there. Ugh. This place is making my skin crawl. Like, I'm actually, like, pretty fucking anxious right now. Like, I don't know why. I don't know anything about this game. And I'm, like, nervous. Oh? What does it say? $64K RAM system 38911 basic bytes free ready. Bet. Thank you. Oh. This place like actually creeps me out. I'm not gonna lie. You say the same thing.
One very strange thing has happened today. We sent a radio signal with the help of our devices. The message was supposed to be received in another building, but there was silence in the air. We disconnected the device and went to our workplaces. 10 minutes later, I heard this message on my receiver. It was exactly the same. It was my voice. As if this message came with a huge delay. But how? And then, where had it been all this time? I assembled a team and we repeated the experience again. The message disappeared, but 10 minutes later I received the signal. It appeared from the place we had sent the signal to. Maybe the device recorded the message and then sent it with a delay. At least, we thought so. But no. After we turned off all the devices after sending, as well as the power in the room, the result was the same. We couldn't understand the cause of this abnormality. We'll have to keep monitoring it. One very strange thing has happened.
Okay. Kinda seems like we're dealing. Why is it? Oh my god, it was so fuzzy. Alright, kind of seems like we are dealing with like portal-esque kind of things, like a different space-time.
It seems to be an important building. Perhaps I should go in. Probably. I'll have the chance to find out something there. There's a door behind the burning truck. I must get there somehow.
Okay, well, go through it. Put the fire out. Climb through a window. Squeeze your body through the gate. Oh, there's a truck down here with the thingy. Okay. Let me investigate this building real quick. Oh, that's advanced dark. I don't appreciate that darkness. I'm just... fuck. What? No one's home. Oh, there's keys. Sorry, honey. I'm busy. Can't talk right now. Leave a message. Stop calling him. You can't make me.
Hello?
Nikolai, why aren't you at the laboratory?
This is not Nikolai. I'm not from here. Who's talking? Where are you? There's nobody here. Something has happened.
You're talking rubbish. What happened to you?
I repeat it once again. I got to the base, but there's no one here.
I'm looking into the yard of your house. People are walking there. I don't understand what you mean. Are you drunk? Nothing like this has ever happened to you.
Where are you? How can I find you?
Hey, I'm sick of these jokes. I'll come up to you now and kick your ass. You'll get what you deserve from the front office.
No. No. You stay in your space-time continuum. I'm good. The Russian anthem, I'm pretty sure. I got long-ass arms. Look at that. Is there nothing else to do with this bubble? Guess not.
He could have taken them from the factory. The wires, I mean.
What are you trying to say? You can't just take things from the factory. He's an honest man. This is steel. You can't do that.
We changed the wires too, some time ago. Do you remember? And we had some of them left.
Ah, right. I have to look for them. We must have left them in the basement of the garage. I'll help him, and he'll help me.
When will you fix our Zill? It's been standing still for so many.
Okay. So I got those other keys, which might go to that shed? Before I go there, let me go back this way. Maybe it'll work in that shed. But I think the first pair of keys I got was for that car. Oh god, there's two things. Okay.
So, if my calculations are correct, then these radio waves can be the cause of the abnormalities that arose during the testing last week. When we linked all our electronics, turned on the transmitter, there was something like a breach in space. Our sensors have caught a fairly powerful flow of energy along with the radio waves coming from this breach. But what we've seen is still not quite clear. It was a kind of space distortion. There must be an error in our calculations. In addition to radio waves, we can observe the visible spectrum. Any radiation other than radio waves is a side effect in our experiments. And it must be it. What if there is a gamma radiation? It might be dangerous. We must tell the front office to give us more tools, at least a Geiger counter. So, if my calculations are correct, then these radio waves can be the...
So I got the wires. Alrighty, I think that's it for that. Okay. Alright, so now we go into the truck. And I think we'll end up using that truck to push that other truck out of the way or to pull it out or something. I don't know. How do I fix it? Oh god! How is, what? How did I die? What? Man!
Next time on Noise!
Chapter 2, The Creature.